Hey guys, it's Nancy, and today I'm going to be showing you two beautiful jewelry pieces by Read Your Heart Jewelry, and I'm also going to be giving you just a little bit of what I think is an interesting education that I received from my daughter, who has worked in the jewelry business for several years, on why these are such great quality pieces and a great value. So Ruger and I are looking forward to getting into this with you. Hey there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy Ann. That is Ruger over there. He loves taking naps while I make videos. Occasionally he'll get up and show a little bit of personality. And today we are reviewing two more pieces of Read Your Heart jewelry. I have unboxed for them twice before, and I love this company and I love their product. That's why I'm doing it again. So before we get going, if you could please hit that like button for me. It helps videos like this move ahead in the algorithm. This one's going to have a lot of really great information, and these types of videos tend to sometimes not do quite as well on my channel as clothing videos, and it will help make this a little bit more visible to other people. And if you are new, I just want to say welcome. Thank you for being here, and if you're one of my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. Okay, so Read Your Heart Jewelry, as I said, I have unboxed for them twice before. My daughter, who has been in the jewelry business for several years, has always loved their pieces, and she was no less impressed with the pieces for today's video that I showed her last night. I was wearing, when I came in here, another piece of Read Your Heart jewelry that I wear quite often. It was in my last one. I just want to show it to you. This is a little piece of moissanite right in the middle of this beautiful little swirly pattern. This is called the Tassel necklace, if I remember correctly. Let me set it over here. The price on that was really reasonable, and like I said, I wear that all the time. My best friend helped me select that design because they have so many gorgeous pieces on their website, and when they tell me go ahead and select a couple of pieces to unbox and they give me a price range I need to work within, I'm overwhelmed. And so I asked my best friend for the last unboxing to help. This time I had a little bit of an easier time. Now there are things about this that I want to tell you before we get into the jewelry itself, because I'm afraid I'll forget to tell you. So the pieces come in a box like this. There's the box, and they're wrapped in a little paper sleeve just like that. And then that goes into a bubble wrap like this. And the piece itself is actually inside a little, it's like a little mini Ziploc bag that's inside this blue box, inside the sleeve, inside this, and then also your box of goodies that we'll talk about in just a second is in there, and then it all gets put into a bigger bubble wrap container. So let me put all of this aside so that's out of my lap and I don't have to worry about it anymore. And then in this is just for gift giving. So this will come with your piece or pieces. You'll get a bag, you'll get a polishing cloth in there to give with someone. There's a little card with some information on the company, as well as a little envelope that has your certificate of authenticity, your Moissanite report, with information on the individual stone, or in this case stones. I have two of these, one on each stone. This one is 1 carat, so this one is on the necklace. It tells about the stone, and then it also has in here your warranty ID number. There is a 1-year warranty on all of your pieces with Read Your Heart jewelry, as well as 30-day return policy. Moissanite is a 9.25 on the hardness scale, whereas a diamond is a 10, so it's very close to the hardness of a diamond. They don't cost quite as much. They are lab grown, and I'm going to have some information on that I'll share with you that my daughter told me last night. So we're going to start off with this gorgeous ring. Let me let you get a good look at this. This is the half bezel moissanite channel set engagement ring. This comes in 1, 2, and 3 carats. This is the 3 carat right here. It is normally $348.33. Curious price, but that's what they ask for it. It probably has something to do with overseas currency because these do ship worldwide. And right now, as I tape, it is on sale for $209.95. That's for 3 carats. Now, all of their jewelry is in 925 silver, which is the industry standard. This one has the little tiny diamonds off to the side. Isn't that pretty? And here is the setting from the side so you can see the depth. I ordered this in a size 8. It's a little bit, I have small fingers, so I wanted to be able to put it on one of my other fingers besides my ring finger. At least they're narrow fingers for my height. Isn't this absolutely beautiful? I love this. And my daughter said, after her one and only criticism was she said that she felt like the metal around this, the silver around it, could have fit the diamond snugger. She said that because you're likely to like get a hair stuck in there or have it catch on something, which could threaten the security of the diamond or the moissanite. But then she said to me, Mom, can I have this ring when you are done recording? And I said, I thought you didn't like the setting. She said, I want the stone. She said, I would put this stone in 14 karat gold or 18 karat gold, but she would have it set into a gold setting, which leads me to my next point. All of their pieces are also available in 10 karat, 14 karat, 18 karat, yellow, rose, or white gold, as well as platinum. You just have to special order it with them. So you can get these gorgeous stones put in a more precious metal than the silver. Personally, I think the silver is absolutely gorgeous though. Okay, now I want to show you this beautiful necklace. I went a little bit simple this time because I felt like I needed a simpler necklace just to match with everything. And I usually lean in towards silver, but I thought I would go gold this time, a golden finish, because I thought that it would make that beautiful 1 carat moissanite in the center there stand out. So this is the classic Solitaire round moissanite 6-prong silver necklace pendant. You can get it in golden or silver again. This is normally $128.50, and right now as I record, they have it marked down to $89.95. Great price on this. I love that it's 6 prongs. Sometimes in these necklaces, you get 5 or 4 prongs. And one thing I learned when I lost the stone out of my wedding band was that the more prongs, the better, because it holds things in place and you're much less likely to lose them. That was an expensive loss. So we got extra prongs put on the ring when it was redone. So I love that this necklace has 6 prongs. Here we go. It's on an 18-inch chain, it looks like. Isn't that just pretty? It's just simple and elegant, and it will work with absolutely everything. All right. Lastly, I want to get into just sharing with you what my daughter shared with me about moissanite jewelry. She said that moissanite is lab created from a seed of the original moissanite deposited from the asteroid of an unknown planetary system in the late 70s and early 80s. Isn't that really cool? This is actually from an unknown planetary system somewhere else. The properties of this cannot be manufactured or combined here on the Earth's atmosphere, from what she explained to me. Lab-grown diamonds are also grown from a natural diamond seed from within the Earth. So it's the same lab-growing process. I didn't realize that moissanite and diamonds and different stones actually really were grown in a lab from a seed of an original stone. I didn't know that. Did you? So it doesn't make them fake. It just means that nobody risked their life digging them out of the earth for you. She said moissanites, unlike diamonds, can legally make the claim of being 100% ethically sourced because there's nowhere to mine it. It's extraterrestrial. The moissanite stones are currently $700 a carat for this quality and cut when purchased at a fine jeweler. I want to know what you guys would think about me doing a unboxing of my daughter with me, so you guys can see her genuine reaction when I pull the pieces out of the box. I mean, she's like, is this for real? What's the price? She just can't believe it. And also she has so much more knowledge. I just really kind of scrape the surface of what she knows about jewels. So would you guys enjoy that? Would you like seeing that? Comment down below. I have a discount code. Hang on a minute. I will get that for you. Yes, discount code. It is Nancy15. Did I get that right? To save 15% off of these pieces. Yes, Nancy15, all caps on the Nancy. I really think that these are great pieces. I genuinely endorse them. I genuinely like them. I genuinely wear them. I'm really enthusiastic about this, if you can't tell. I hope you found this informative or enjoyable or entertaining in some way. If so, again, if you would consider subscribing, that would mean the world to me. And I will see the rest of you, everyone, on the next unboxing video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. Necklace, let me see if I can get it to show up for you here. Isn't that pretty? It has, oh, turnaround necklace. It has a little, no.